Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day.
Yes, today feels like a lucky day.
Friends, I just heard the farmer talking. He said if we don't grow enough crops this season, the farm might be in trouble.
That you must help to.
Yes, if we've helped the farmer.
I can dig the soil.
I will plant the seeds. I will bring water from the pond.
Great. When everyone helps, big things can happen. All right, everyone, let's get to work.
I'll spread the seeds carefully. I'll hop around and help watch.
All right, team, let's turn this field.
Water's coming right up.
Soil's ready for planting.
Seeds are flying everywhere.
Field looks great. Keep going.
Look, our farm is becoming beautiful.
Don't worry, we can fix this together.
Wow, look at all the food.
This is the biggest harvest ever.
I can't believe it. The farm looks amazing.
All right, everyone, let's celebrate our harvest. That's it, keep dancing. What a wonderful farm.
We worked together and we did it.
Look at that egg. It's a beauty.
It is, I can't wait.
It'll be the strongest duckling ever.
Shh, I think it's starting.
It's hatching.
We did it! Wasn't that just wonderful?
It was incredible. We were amazing.
Again, let's go again.
Of course, sweetie, let's go explore.
Adventure awaits. Follow me.
Yay, I'm coming.
All right, everyone, to the barn.
I'm coming, Mama.
I'm right behind you.
Careful on the path, little one.
I will. This is fun.
Almost there.
Come on, family. Let's see what the day brings.
I'm coming, Mama.
Stay close now, little one.
That's it. Adventure awaits.
Wow, so fast.
You're doing great, sweetie. What a beautiful day for a walk, my dears.
It certainly is. Lead on, my love.
Quack, I'm right behind you.
That's my brave little one.
Wow, look at all this space.
It is wonderful, dear. Stay close.
Let's explore, but don't wander off.
Can we go to the fence?
Of course, let's go together.
Ah, the sky is falling! What? That's impossible! I saw it! Run! Wait, you're being ridiculous! To the barn! Hurry! This is crazy! Wait for us! Hurry! The farmer's coming! What? Why? No time! Just run! Okay, we're with. Hey, ducks! How about a race? You're on! Let's go! Ready, set, go! Keep up! I'm winning! No way! Almost there! Quack, quack! Let's race to the fence! You're on! Quack! Cluck, cluck! I'll win this! Quack, quack! Almost there! Quack, quack! Keep up! Cluck! I'm trying! Quack! Come on, join us at the pond!
No thanks, I don't like getting wet.
Don't be a chicken, it's fun!
I am a chicken, a dry one.
Fine, we're going. Last chance.
Have fun. I'll be here.